water, earth, fire, air. Long ago, the four nations lived together in harmony. Then, everything changed when the Fire Nation attacked. Only the Avatar, master of all four elements,
and fluid mechanics,
could stop them. I believe Aang can save the world.
Dara, I just can't seem to get a hang of this water bending thing, and I have to defeat the Fire Lord in a few days. How am I gonna defeat the Fire Lord? Wait a minute, I have an idea. We could visit the ancient water temple and see if they have any relics that can help us. That's amazing. Let's go. Let's go. Whoa, look, right there. There's a school perfectly for us. Oh my god. Whoa. My mind is blown. I think we should all learn about the intricacies of fluid mechanics and the conservation of Mars.
I know, right? It's pretty simple once you break it down.
But isn't this a hyperlink? And aren't we in like ancient Asia?
Yeah, let me pull it up on my laptop.
What's a laptop?
Here, we have the conservation of mass problem. Over here, we have our Reynolds transport theorem, and we can simplify it down to a conservation of mass is equal to our density times our volumetric flow rate is equal to our density times our area times our velocity. And over here, we have our example problem. We have two inputs and one output, all of the same area, and we are given velocity. This way, we need to calculate the output over here and the output velocity. So if we go over to our equation, we have our outputs minus our inputs is equal to 0, and then we can write it out for each one of our outputs, our first input and our second input. We then expand on that and expand once again, and then we can eliminate all of our densities and areas because they're all constant. And then we get our velocities, so V3, V1, and V2. We can then write an equation to get our output velocity, plug in our variables, and get our output.
This is exactly what we need. There's a pipe full of water at the exact location I'm going to fight the Fire Lord, and that has the exact same dimensions. Now I know exactly how much water will flow and what velocity I need to provide with my water bending.
Exactly! And the water will be exactly enough to put out the fire, the Emperor of the Fire Nation.
You'll never defeat me, Avatar. I will rule all the nations.
You will never rule the nations without knowing the power of fluid mechanics.
I've been defeated by the Avatar and his fluid mechanics. I never understood it.